Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a dress badge block in your Shopify store. So you might have seen these kind of blocks in many Shopify stores. So I will be explaining how you can create these similar kind of blocks in your Shopify store too. So watch this video completely without skipping. A quick reminder that this kind of customization will be available only for the Shopify Plus members. So for this, I'm using Checkout Ninja app. This is available from the Shopify store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. And here after installation, go to admin panel with Checkout Ninja and go to the block section and click on create block to create your first block. And you can just click on add block, and then either you can just browse the dress badge block, otherwise you can just search the desired one from here. So the dress badge is coming on top and I'm clicking add to checkout. So first thing, we have to give a proper block name. Let's say like I'm just giving dress badge block as the block name. It should be a meaningful one so that you can just easily identify this from your list of blocks. And next comes the conditional visibility. Either you can keep it disabled or the enable. So if you are enabling this, what happens is you have to give some conditions to appear the block. So whenever the conditions met, then only the block will be available in the checkout page. So on clicking this visibility condition, you can see many of the conditions from here. You can just go and choose whatever you want. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled so that the block will be available on checkout in every time without any condition. So I'm going to create the dress badge block elements. Like first we have to give a title text, the main title. I'm just going with why customers trust us as my main title. And style preset, I'm using body itself. I can go for some advanced options. It could be size in large, style, bold, and color we can go for anything. Like there are some options given here. I'm going with the default one anyway, and I'm leaving my title element as center. And let's see, on clicking add new item, I can give the badge titles as my wish. Like I'm going first with the let's say like secure checkout. And like earlier, like we have to give some style preset. Here also we have some advanced option. I'm just giving this size as base. Let's say style is bold and color, default one for sure. And description, let's say like your payments and datas are fully protected. Let's say like this. And style presets body, and I'm giving my size as small and style is normal, color as gray. And I can just choose the icon type. Either I can go for the customized image or the preset one. So in the preset one, I can choose the icons which are showing here. I'm just going for what the lock icon, which suits more with my badge title. So the icon size also I can choose like this. There are some options given here. So first badge details I have given like this. And if I need one more badge, then I have to click on add new item. Similarly, same procedure or the same settings have to be followed. Let's say like next title will be fast and reliable delivery. Let's say like that. And next sim preset advanced options, I'm going with the default one. And description I'm giving as quick shipping with trusted carriers. So that's done. And similarly, body style and the size, color, I'm going with the default one. And icon type, let's choose preset one, which is let's see, a truck. Yeah, which suits more here with the badge title and description. Yeah, icon for sure, I'm keeping it as small. And yeah, I need one more title, so I'm going with another one similar way with the multiple payments option. Yeah, and description as we using cards, UPI, wallets, and more. Yeah, so I have done, and I'm just giving an icon as for, yeah, cash dollar is the, so let's go with that. So I'm planning to give only 3 badge titles, so let's see how this works. I'm done now, and yeah, I have to save this. So and on saving, I'll be getting some block ID here. See, there is a block ID generated here, so I have to copy this and click on open checkout editor. Now you can see the checkout editor page here. So let's add our custom block to the checkout page by clicking on custom block, add to checkout. Now here I can see a block ID field. I have to paste the block ID here, and you can see the dress badge block has been created here. So I can just move this to anywhere. Let's see, like in app settings, the block should be placed at the order summary. Let's see, like this. Yeah, I can drag this custom block to anywhere, wherever I want. So what I'm thinking is this block ID will be more suitable when we place this at the order summary page. So, or I'm dragging this to the order summary section. Yeah, you can see that the block has been created here with a given with the same title, description, icon, and main title and all. So let's save this, and we can see how this works in our online store. So I'm trying to land on the checkout page now. Now you can see that the created block ID has been appeared successfully in the checkout page. So that's how you can create the dress badge block in your Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description and try this out in your online store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.